They are cutting down the great plane trees at the end of the gardens. The loud, common laughs of the men above it all.
Jack climbs the beanstalk, but has to find his own purpose as he ascends the hierarchy.
To ascend the ladder, we need a proper education to address and meet the highest aspirations of a human person, which is wisdom.
Symposium is a big classical education party because all of you come and dedicate 2.5 days of your lives to engaging with one another about what matters most to us as a community.
When I speak about how a liberal education can illuminate a life, I speak from personal experience. We were a typical Dominican immigrant family. When my mother lost her job, we didn't live paycheck to paycheck. We lived hand to mouth.
Things are so dire. Jack sells his cow or seed. A seed is a pattern without body. Find body and it will grow.
We teachers are the representatives of a culture, and the enemy of education is barbarism.
And he comes to the giant, representing the evils of hierarchy, the evils of tyranny. And now Jack has to deal with it, has to encounter it, has to confront it.
When I think about it, I think of my ancestors who told their story through songs like Go Down, Moses, way down in Egypt land. Tell, oh, Pharaoh, let my people go.
The teacher's duty is thus to fight off that ever-present darkness by preserving and transmitting the heritage of freedom and virtue that has come to us from the past, but is always open to new insights and new community. I'd argue that it's the character of the teacher that is the best venue to the pursuit of truth.
The truth, by its nature, is effusive. Once discovered, it demands to be shared.
Organado cia convenientia sunt resonanda. Organado cia convenientia sunt resonanda.
He's lifted up into something higher.
Liberal education is liberating. We share a commitment. One might say we share a calling to broaden access to a life-transformative education.
Teachers engage all the students to use their voices more.
And so we come out of ourselves and our self-creation as postmodern creatures to the great tradition of Western culture.
When today's storytellers are saying our history is more marred by villains than illuminated by heroes, it's up to you to pass on the torch of culture, for without a vision, the people perish.
This is my story. This is my song.